No gold is not in her. She's a diamond under her.
Okay, so this is a video on how to sell your stockpile and make some money selling it, okay? So let's talk about safety first, okay? Because that's the most important thing, is being safe. Okay, rules when meeting up with new customers, okay? When you start selling your stockpile and meeting up with people. First, tell them to have the exact amount. Emphasize that you do not bring money with you, that they have to have the exact amount of the price of the bundle. If that means that they need to go to the bank and get the exact amount, tell them that you do not bring any money with you, okay? A second rule, meet in a public place, like at a grocery store parking lot during the day or whatever. Meet in a public place. Number 2, do not meet at night, okay? I just don't meet at night. These are the rules that I follow, okay? And number 4, trust your guts. If you have any bad feelings about the person that you is selling to for whatever reason, trust your instinct, trust your guts. Okay, these are the 4 rules that I do. Okay, presentation is everything, okay? Now, do not present your bundle like this picture right here, okay? I'm going to do a little short video explaining this right here. Okay, so now I'm showing you a quick bundle. A bundle of what not to do, okay, when selling the bundle. Now, this is when I say presentation is everything, okay? Now, I know you might can't see it. I'm going to have it like a more of a picture on the side so you can get the full view of how this bundle look, okay? So basically nothing is matching. We have a snuggle, we got some all parts, we got Hammer crystal, we got a Gain and a Tide, we got a Suavitel dry sheets, then we got Unstoppable, then we got the regular Febreze, and we just got a Zest bar soap, but Dow body wash, and then you gave me soft soap hand soap, then you threw in a Suave shampoo and some always this. Then you have Scott toilet paper, but Bounty paper towel. This right here is an example of a bundle that would have me confused. Like, I would literally be looking so all over the place, I would not even entertain this bundle. Okay, so because it's all over the place, it would have me literally confused. Do not set your bundles this way, okay? Do not. Try your best to have stuff that match. If you do personal items, try to, if you're going to do the Dow body wash, do Dow bars of soap and Dow hand soap. Just try to match things. Try to have an understanding, because I don't know if this bundle would be for a man or woman. I don't know what this bundle is. I don't know if the person had bladder problem, or they just they just didn't want to get them no regular feminine products, so they just gave them the bladder discreet, stuff like that. I see bundles like this all the time in my area, and they will sit and sit and sit. Nobody will not touch them, buy them for 2 or 3 weeks, sometimes even more than a month, to the point that people would just take them down to sell, because they cannot make no money off the bundle, because nobody want this. It's confusing. We don't know what brand we want to use. We don't know if we Tide, Gain, Snuggle. We don't want all those scents, okay? So anyway, this is just an example of what not to do. Do not set your bundles this way, okay? Okay, next you need to be aware of the retail price of the product. Now here's a short video showing this. Okay, so this is right here showing how a bundle should be presented. I'm going to also show a clip after this on showing the prices of everything, but this is showing how a bundle is supposed to be presented, okay? Now, I'm just going to compare 2 prices, okay? One going to be from Walmart prices and Dollar General, because they the most 2 stores that I compare my prices to. Also, I want everybody to be mindful of sizes. And when I say that, is this right here is a 32 load. This is a 50 ounce. This right here is 25 loads, and it is a 40 ounce. Do not sell this for the same price that you would sell this one. Okay, now that's what I'm saying. Be mindful, because you can run into a whole lot of issues by doing that. The same as the game. This one is 50 ounces, that's 32 loads, and this one is 25 ounces, which is only 40. I mean, this is 40 ounces, only 25 loads. Do not sell this for the same price as you would sell this. Okay, be mindful of sizes is the point I'm making on that. Okay, so let's go ahead and discuss these prices of these items. Okay, so right here we got the Clorox bleach, which is right here at Walmart. They are $2.32. At Dollar General they are $2.75. We got the Downy paper towels at Walmart. They $5.98. At Dollar General they $5.75. We have the Tide detergent, which is this right here. At Walmart they are $5.24. At Dollar General they on sale for $4.95. Okay. We got the Febreze fabric spray, which is this right here. And they are at Walmart they are $2.97. And then at Dollar General they are $3.55. We got the Downy dry sheets, which is this right here. Okay, they are $4.47 at Walmart, and then $4.50. Hold on, the dry sheets. I'm sorry, they are $4.47 at Walmart, and then they are $5 at Dollar General. Okay, we have the Febreze Air Effect Spray, which is that right there. They are $2.97 at Walmart, and then $3 at Dollar General. Okay, we got the fabric softener, the Downy fabric softener, which is this right here. And they are $4.47 at Walmart, $4.50 at Dollar General. We have the Pine-Sol, which is this up here. The Pine-Sol is actually marked down for 25 cents at Walmart. This is the 28 ounces, just in case you want to look. And they are $2 at Dollar General. Okay, so then we got the Lysol toilet bowl cleaner, which is this right here. That is $1.92 at Walmart, $2 at Dollar General. Then we got the Palmolive dish detergent, the 20 ounce. They are $1.98 at Walmart and $2 at Dollar General. Then we got the Tide Pods, which is this right here. They are $4.94 at Walmart, $4.95 at Dollar General. Okay, for the Charmin tissue, we do my store do not sell that. They only sell the 12 equals 48, and that's $9. So I just went by the Dollar General price for this item, which is $5.25. Okay, and then for this Lysol right here, the Lysol spray, again, my Walmart do not sell that Lysol in that size in my store. So I just went with the Dollar General price, which is $2. Okay. So for this bundle right here, and I know you can't see it, but I have a close up of everything. It is retail price at $50 at Walmart. This will be $50 worth of product at Walmart, and then at Dollar General it'll be $52.65 worth of product at Walmart. I mean at Dollar General. I'm sorry. So let me say it again. Walmart, this is retail price at $50. Dollar General, it is retail price at $52.65 worth of product. Okay? So I just wanted to discuss the prices. Then I'm going to show you a clip of what I would charge for this bundle. Okay, so this is a better view of the prices and what I would charge. Some people, what they do is take the retail price and just subtract $10 and charge whatever based off that. So you can do that if you don't feel like having your personal price for each item. You can just take the retail price and subtract whatever. Now, this is the prices that I would charge for each item. So if you want to use my prices as a guideline, some people will charge more, some people will charge less. But I would charge roughly around $37 for this bundle. Maybe if I want to add like 38, some people say 40. But 40 would be a safe amount to charge at the most. And that's just my personal opinion, but this is just an example. You do not have to follow what I'm doing. This is just an example. Okay? So now, since we discussed prices, where to sell your bundle, okay? So I'm going to show a quick little clip of on my phone showing where you can sell your bundles, where you can put your bundles on and everything, okay? Okay, so now I'm going to show you like where do I go for the to post my bundles. Now, one place I go is Offer Up. Offer Up, all you have to do is type in, like, you can just post it, like, by pressing the camera and just posting your picture of your, of the bundle you selling, and then it will target people in your area. Okay, it shows the newest first. You can put the closest, like the people closest to you, and see these are the people that's closest to my area. So this is the way you can actually like post your bundles, and it target the people in your area. Okay, so this is one way you can post your bundles. Okay, another place that I use is also Let Go. Now in my area, more people use Offer Up over Let Go. And again, all you got to do is just post it, and then I'm just showing you like how a lot of people that do this household bundles. There you go. So it's a lot of people that do this, as you can see, and this showing my area and showing all the people that have stuff posted in my area. And then you just click right here to say sell your stuff and take a picture of it, and you can just post it and put your price and everything that you want. Okay, so these are two. Another one that I also use is Facebook, but I'm not going to really click on my Facebook because I have a lot of personal friends and all that up there. But also Facebook is also great. You can use Facebook. Some people got something called the markets, others have stuff they call selling swap. So you can also use Facebook and look up what's in your area. Some people have markets, some people have selling swap and stuff like that. So I just wanted to kind of show you the how you can post your bundles. Okay, hold on. Okay, so now I hope that this helped you sell your stockpile successfully. I think I cover everything. If y'all need additional help, let me know. I only did an example of one bundle. I know some people probably want me to do probably the game bundle, but I think I gave y'all enough information to kind of be able to do it yourself. Just remember, safety is the first point. I know making money is good too, but your safety is the first. Make sure if you just starting off, I would not advise you to bring any money. Make sure everybody just have the exact amount. That's was the biggest thing that was my focus. No, everybody to this day do not know that I say bring the exact amount. But anyway, I hope y'all like this. I hope y'all like this setup. Anyway, please like, comment, and subscribe. Please follow me on Instagram. Like this video, share this video, and do all those things those people tell you to do at the end of the video. And thank you for all my Teen Shorters for sticking with me. Bye.